Golgappa. Yes, that's what we are making today, dear friends, and that too gluten free. One of the most popular and loved street foods which everyone enjoys. But because of tough to make recipes, those allergic to gluten have to somehow kill this craving. I will show here a 3-ingredient recipe and easy to make natural pani puri with frozen cubes. Take 2 cups rice flour, 2 cups gluten-free maida replacer, 2 teaspoons salt and enough water. Take both flours in a bowl, mix salt and knead to make a soft dough. The ratio I have told you, that will make around 100 to 120 Golgappas. Keep this dough for 10 minutes and then make small balls out of it. After making all the balls, take a puri press and press 4 balls at a time and lay them out on a plastic sheet. Keep them covered till they are ready to fry. Heat oil in a pan and fry the Golgappas on medium to high heat. Fry each of them till they puff up and turn golden in color. Don't try to tease them if they stick to each other in the beginning. They will separate on their own as they fry. These turn out very crisp and tasty and can be used instantly. For the Golgappa pani, I keep the pudina chutney in the freezer in silicone molds. These can be taken at this time and add water and masalas. Masalas would be like amchur, salt, chili powder to make gluten-free pani puri. The pani puri powders available in the market have asafoetida in them, which is made with maida. For the sont, I always keep the imli and dates chutney in my fridge, and this can be diluted and used as a sont chutney. The only thing you might need to make for this is boiled chana and potatoes. Add chili powder, jeera powder, amchur and salt to both of these, both the boiled chana and potato, and mix well. These Golgappas are best if consumed the same day, but if you wish, you can store in airtight containers and reheat in microwave for 30 seconds and then have them. Take a puri and add the potato and the chana with sont and Golgappa pani, and you are ready to eat your gluten-free Golgappas. Please do share, like and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such recipes. Thank you.